係
港德製之二人
konGTak selfmade。After a longer time of planning, we did cutting plywood boards, doing milling work, drilling holes, applying veneer, sanding, and doing all the lacquer work. It's time to assemble the basic structure of the kitchen. Here I'm screwing a small piece of waterproofed plywood board as a socket on the kitchen bottom. Now we are in another workshop using here the computer controlled machine, CNC machine. I love it complicated, and we will make another round feature in our camping car. This will be the template to produce a round door for our cabinet. It's a lot of work, but it's nice to do it like this, and hopefully my wife will appreciate it. And I hope the people will like it. I will love it. It makes fun to build this a bit more complicated and not to save time. Why? We have the time to build it nice. Let's do it. These are now the two template forms which help us to make the door round shape. They will be pressed together with the clamps. I have here special material. This one is very flexible and easy to bend. So this will be the material to bend our doors. And one more layer of this MDF between that. Here we press for 6 hours our round doors in shape. The templates help us to keep the material in shape until the waterproof white glue is fully hardened. The material is 2 times flexible plywood 12 mm and 1 MDF board 3 mm. Now this material will stay in shape and we can do the next step to apply wood veneer. Here we have 0.8 mm thick ash veneer, which will be applied on both sides of the round door. We will press the wood veneer with the vacuum bag onto the round shaped door. Now we are cutting the door in shape using the table saw. You need to be very careful and cut exactly. Different cuts are needed. Here we glue a edge veneer in the corners to protect the corners from getting damaged. We are cleaning the solid wood from the edge with the planer. Also sand it gentle and fast because the veneer is just 0.8 mm thick. Our lacquer room where I can lacquer all the parts. I'm using transparent matte lacquer. First I spray paint the corners with a thin layer of clear lacquer. After that we'll apply a very thin layer in the same amount all over the door from the front to the back. After the lacquer is fully dry, you can screw the hinges into the holes and fix it to the door. After this, we can hang the door in the side walls.